second.
Oh, you dropped my phone.
We out here getting it in.
Where's your Outcast
with
sticker?
the small town Outcast.
Hello, wife.
Scott putting the vinyl on. Sticker.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I don't know how the fuck. I don't know how the creator of the group ended up having to do the stickers.
that's usually the way. Sometimes it boils down. You end up putting a sticker on there.
So wait, we should have just gave him a small town. He ain't part of the Outcast yet. He still got to rep his colors.
You still got work to do to get the Outcast.
You're gonna be able to do more than just an oil change.
We out here having fun, man. Putting a small town Outcast on the vehicles. Something new, something 2022 shit, as y'all can see. And of course, me and my wife, we made the stickers. So let y'all check it out. He got it here on a Durango, small town Outcast. Pretty slick. I actually have one for my truck, cause being as though he gonna rep my shit, rep his shit. So therefore, that's the way it's going. He out here showing all his assets and shit, you know, with a big old finger up his ass.
I will fuck y'all up.
Too late,
Bro,
already in the video with a finger on his way. Let's see what's up with my peoples back here. Okay.
Robert,
We get
we'll get a beer and grab the Conroy on the
yeah. These are other stickers we made as well. You got one more to go over here.
Two more.
Well, it's really one.
There's two.
Oh, you gotta do this side
One for
too.
each side.
Yeah, you still gotta do that side. So, yep. Got the crews out here. As y'all seen the crews in the crew quite a few videos. So, man, so we gonna get some copyright. We're gonna go in that part of the video, and I'll holler at y'all in a minute, and I'll get back to y'all in a short minute. Peace. Got taters on the grill. Chicken. Burger. Oh, hey. Oh, we need a fan for that. Yeah, you get your fan.
Hey, wait a minute.
Cut that music off, goddammit. All this copyright. All that copyright, Robert. That music.
Honestly, on them videos, put on there, I do not own the rights to this music. You'll be fine. Yeah, I tried, dude. I don't know what's going on with it. It's fucking bubbling up on something. Some of them don't even want to fucking stick.
Oh, you went across the top of it. Yeah.
Like that hand didn't even want to stick. This shit didn't want to stick up here. Some of this stuff doesn't even want to stick to his car. It's like, well, fuck this thing.
Right, everybody gonna do this. Just another fuck you Karen cookout. I think we might name that fuck you Karen.